The Integra Type R was a special car from the start. Everybody knew it. The Type R moniker is reserved for only the best Hondas and Acuras. So in 1997, when the Acura Integra Type R came out, we'd already been racing Hondas and Acuras for about 10 years with RealTime. Unlike the competition, the Integra Type R did not require a lot of work to get it ready for the racetrack. We put in a fancy cage, changed the springs and shocks, and that was about it. And this B18 C5 Type R engine is tuned to run 9,000 RPM all day long with great reliability. And the gearbox, bone stock. We knew it was a great street car, and we knew it would be a fantastic race car, but we had no idea just how successful the car would become. Between 1997 and 2002, the Acura Integra Type R dominated the Speed Touring Car Championship. RealTime won 5 of the 6 championships, and no touring car before or since has been as successful. So after I won the Drivers' Championship in 2002, the Integras were retired from racing. And now, only recently, we were able to get this Integra back into the family and do a complete restoration. After getting the car back, it was pretty clear the car had seen some action. So we stripped it down to bare metal, replaced a lot of sheet metal, and brought it back to its original glory. So now, after nearly 17 years, it's time to go racing again. Alright, so the shakedown testing is done, and now it's time to head to the grid. We qualified 4th overall in our group, but there's some faster class cars ahead of us that we're going to have a little bit of fun with. Some Porsche 911s, 914-6s, Datsun 240Zs. So it's time to see what this Acura Integra Type R can do. First race back out with the Integra Type R. Never skipped a beat. We had a great time. There were like 60-some cars in our group, and only a few that were in a class above beat us. So great day for RealTime and Acura, and great to have the Type R back on track. We knew from the start the Integra Type R was a very special car, but now after all these years it's achieved legendary status, and rightly so. I believe it's still one of the best performing front-wheel drive cars ever built.